Hello students, in today's video we will discuss about degree of unsaturation, or it is also called as IHD, index of hydrogen deficiency, or double bond equivalence. Very important concept for JEE and NEET. If you solved already the NTA mock test paper, in mock test one of the paper it is asked. Hence I made this video to give some information about this. First thing, remember, it will give you information about the structure of an unknown compound. Now whatever the structure of the unknown compound if you want to know, then this degree of unsaturation is very important. It is also called, in that question it was asked like double bond equivalence. So both are same. Yes, now we will see. Remember, each multiple bond or a ring reduces the hydrogen count by 2, which we refer as degree of unsaturation. Right? So each multiple bond or ring reduces the hydrogen count by 2. So the formula you have to remember is, so DOU, degree of unsaturation, is equal to 2 carbon plus 2 plus N, nitrogen, minus hydrogen minus X under halogen, divided by 2. Remember this particular formula, very important in exam. So oxygen or sulfur I have not added here. The main reason for that is, remember, that can be ignored as their presence or absence, remember, or absence has no effect on degree of unsaturation. So oxygen or sulfur presence, it will never affect the degree of unsaturation. So remember that point. So now we will see some examples how to solve this. Now example number 1. Remember this formula, 2 carbon plus 2 plus nitrogen minus hydrogen minus halogen divided by 2. Fine. C2H4, what is the degree of unsaturation? C2H4 li, so C2, 2C, which means 2 2s are 4, plus 2, 6, nitrogen and halogen is not there, 6 minus 4, so is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So degree of unsaturation in this case is 1. Then C3H6, if you see, 3 2s are 2 carbon, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 8, minus hydrogen is 6, that is also equal to 2 divided by 2 is also equal to 1. Then C6H6 if you calculate, so 2 carbon, that is 2 into 6 carbon, 12 plus 2 14, 14 minus 6 hydrogen is equal to, so of 8 divided by 2, degree of unsaturation for this is equal to 4. Yes. We will see some more examples in this case. Fine. C5H7N. Now tell me what is the degree of unsaturation. Now use the same formula. So 5 into 2, right? So 5 into 2, that formula, once I will write that, DOU, here I will write, DOU is equal to, so 2 into carbon plus 2 plus nitrogen minus hydrogen minus halogen divided by 2. Fine. So use that. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. Remember 12 plus nitrogen 1. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. In this case you calculate similarly. So 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16 plus 2 nitrogen 2 18 minus hydrogen is 9, so is equal to 9. 9 minus halogen is 3, so is equal to 6 divided by 2 is also equal to 3. Then C6, 6 2s are 12 plus 2, so 14 plus 1 nitrogen 15, oxygen you cannot calculate, 15 minus 9, so 6 plus 2, that is minus 2, 6 minus 2 because halogen is 2, minus 2 means 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then C4H4O. See that. So 2 4s are 8 plus 2 10. Nitrogen halogen is not there, minus 4. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So in this case the answer is 3. I hope you understood. If the formula is given, how to calculate. If the structure is given, so if the structure is given, very important, remember, you go through that structure correctly, then you say one double bond, this degree of unsaturation or double bond equivalence also you can call it as, 1 degree of unsaturation is equal to 1 ring or 1 double bond. equal to andre double bond, one double bond, one ring or one double bond. 2 degree of unsaturation is nothing but 2 rings or 2 double bond. Either it may be 2 rings if you consider it as 2 rings, 2 degree of unsaturation. If 2 double bonds are there along with that, then plus 2 you have to do. Or triple bond if it is there, remember triple bond is equal to 1 triple bond is equal to 2 degree of unsaturation. 1 triple bond is equal to 2 degree of unsaturation, and 1 ring plus 1 double bond is also equal to 2 degree of unsaturation. Once again I will tell you, 2 degree of unsaturation is equal to 2 rings you can consider. That may be 3 membered, 4 membered, 5 membered, 6 membered, 10 membered ring, or 2 double bond should be there. So 1 triple bond should be there, or either 1 triple bond you can consider it as 2 double bond equivalent, or you can say degree of unsaturation, or 1 ring plus 1 double bond should be there. This you can understand with the help of these examples. So now first one you can see I have taken benzene ring. So already we have seen in case of the benzene ring the double bond equivalence is equal to 4. You can see in this particular example benzene I have considered it as 4. How it is 4 you see? How many double bonds are there? 3 double bonds are there. 1 double bond equal to 1 equivalent. So 3 double bonds. So 3 plus 1 ring is there. Right? 3 double bond plus 1 ring. So total is equal to 4. Very simple. Here also you can see. How many rings are there? This is 1 ring and this is 1 ring. So there are 2 rings plus 2 double bond. Hence this is also equal to how many? 4. Fine, here 1 ring is there and 1 double bond is equal to 2. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 rings are there. Right? 1, 2, 3 rings are there. So there is no double bond. Hence is equal to 3. Now in this case you can say 3 rings are there. There is no double bond. 3 rings. 1 ring is equal to 1 degree of unsaturation I told. So is equal to 3. Then sixth one you can say naphthalene. So here total how many rings are there? 2 rings are there. How many double bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 double bond plus 2 rings, which means total 7. So is equal to 7. Like this, remember, you can easily solve this type of question. Then we will see finally 2 examples, important examples I have considered. Correctly, you have to see that carefully. So how many rings are there? 1, 2. So 2 plus. How many double bonds are there? 1, 2. 2 plus. 1 triple bond means 2 equivalent I told. 1 triple bond means 2. So hence is plus 2 is equal to what? 6. So answer for this is 6, remember. Now this was the question which was asked in JEE NTA mock test number 4 you can see. So this is the molecule was given. What is the double bond equivalence? It was asked. Nothing but degree of unsaturation. So now calculate. How many rings are there? First you calculate 1 ring and 2 ring. So plus. How many double bonds are there? 1 double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 are there. Plus 1 triple bond means 1. Right? So 1 triple bond means 1. See, once again I will tell you. 2 rings are there. 2 rings. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 double bonds are there. 1 triple bond means 2. Sorry. 1 triple bond means how many? 2. So total is equal to 11 should be the answer. You can cross check with this test. You can come to know. So this type of structure when it is given, once again I will tell you 2 rings are there. So 2. So how many double bond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double bonds. So plus 2, which means triple bond is there, right? Triple bond is there. 1 triple bond means 2. So hence is equal to 11. So like this, remember. So you can easily identify the degree of unsaturation, very important for JEE and NEET exam. Thank you for watching. Like the video, share the video and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.